Kevin O'Keeffe, TD for Cork East. Been a member of Fianna Fáil since my early ages. I came involved in public government in 1997 and the quadrant to Cork County Council, where I served as a member of Cork County Council for almost 20 years. It's a thing I've ever had. I love being involved working for the community, working on bigger issues now since I got into Dáil. The big issue for us is infrastructure, roads. But with roads, we need broadband coverage. And I have no broadband here, neither have my neighbours, and it's not good enough. I come from a farming background. Our party needs to take a proactive approach in ensuring that rural communities, in particular farming, is kept viable. And I speak in that in regards to the small farmer and of course the tillage farmer. We need to be able to grow our own indigenous crops. Over the road here we have Mallow General Hospital. We need to have a proper emergency service available. We need to ensure our local GPs are more accessible. Our hospitals are more accessible for patients. We have also the issue of Fermoy in regards to the weir and the fish pass. Fermoy is on the River Blackwater, a major tourist destination, Blackwater Valley, all the way down to via Lismore in Tial, and it can be generated into a major tourist attraction for the area. So I would ask that when we get into government, we'll be in a position to upgrade these facilities, because it is an emergency situation. Kevin O'Keeffe, TD for Cork East. I've been honoured to serve for the party over the past number of years as your local TD. Thank you very much.